how to trade commodities on crypto, gold, oil, silver. This is what we're doing today. This video is going to be a little different than the usual airdrop stuff. Comdex, CMDX, they just released their testnet. By the way, my name is Eve, also known as Finance After 40. If you don't know me, subscribe. If you do know me and you got some money from airdrops, support this channel. Patreon link below. We're gonna add some stuff to Patreon, but that's a different story. Comdex just launched just today, I don't know, depends when you see this video. They launched their testnet. They said on the roadmap it will be an incentivized testnet. I'm doing this live. I just got the details from Twitter like an hour ago. I just got money from the Faucet. I want to do this live video. This is not recorded. I'm not editing anything. We're gonna do this raw with just an FYI. I have a bag of Comdex because I believe in what they're gonna do. I'm building even bigger position from Comdex. But if you have nothing and you just do the testnet, they said if you do the testnet, it's incentivized, you get paid. But I'm doing this because I'm long term on Comdex and I see value in bringing commodities into the crypto market, because the average retail cannot just go buy futures on gold, oil, silver, wheat, corn, and all those commodities. You need to join a platform, you need to pay brokers fees. It's a mess. Everyone wants to protect us from our own money. Woo, big deal. There's a lot of potential in bringing, if one company will bring commodities into crypto, this could be the one winner. And I'm long, I'm bullish on them. Market cap is like 30 million bucks, absolutely nothing. Not a financial advice. Let's go. So first step one for you is to do this. Go to Comdex Faucet. Of course, link will be below. Put that you're not a robot, and then you need to put your Comdex address for testnet. You don't have it. How do you get it? You go here, and in here you basically connect your wallet. You go to this area, connect your wallet, okay? Finance After 40, and then it says, hey Kepler, do you want to add Comdex testnet? You say yes, basically, and it sends you, if you click here on your Kepler wallet now, and you scroll all the way down right here, you see it's gonna open a new chain. It's called Comdex test chain, okay? And then you just copy the address from here, put it in the Faucet, click a few times. It doesn't work on the first time, it works after a few click on the buttons, which is fine. And basically you got yourself 1000 Comdex tests to play around, which is worth $1,320. Now let's see what we got with this man. That's step one. So far so good. Patreon below. Let's keep going. Assets, my home. This is like the home page. I've played a lot for like 2 minutes. I haven't really dealt with it too much. Let's move my face just a little bit. Look at this. C gold, price of gold 1937. C silver, Comdex gold. This is great. 24.79. Oil 104. If I'm bullish on oil, that would go to like 250 bucks just buying here. How do I do that? I don't know. Let's say I'm bullish on oil. Okay, let's click trade. It says click trade, and this screen opens up. Interesting. Look at this. Oil 104.96. Volume already $8,000 play. Liquidity premium. What is this? 307%. Difference between the asset price in the pool and the Oracle price. Okay. I don't know if okay, so you're paying extra 300%. That's not true. That means that oil right now, oil is around 101 or something. If this was true, that's a testnet, this would be like 300 bucks oil. That's not the case. So I assume it's like 3.27 premium. I assume that's the just like on Anchor Protocol. If you guys know Anchor Protocol, let's say you want to buy, I don't know, Starbucks, or short Starbucks and do delta neutral passive income strategy basically, then Starbucks now is like 93 bucks. you buy it at like $100, but then you get paid 20, 30, 60% passive income just by holding Starbucks, something like that. So I think that's the premium. They just missed, 1 point should be here. Assuming, I don't know. Now let's see what we got. We got Comdex, 1000 Comdex available. Sea oil, okay. I'm not gonna do max. Let's do, I don't know, 250. Let's gonna use all the $1,000. 250. It's gonna give me 0.73 oil. So it is true. One oil is 340. Okay, how much is one oil? Let's see, one oil. Okay, let's do one oil. Not available balance 448. Okay. Again, doing this super live. Let's click swap 250 Comdex to oil. See what we got. Caution notice, trading involves a significant risk of loss and it is not suitable for all investors. Nice. In particular, past developments do not necessarily indicate future results. Trade at your own risk. Nice. I have read and understand this risk and wish to proceed. Yeah, it's super risky, but if you got oil futures, retail, we can trade commodities futures if we look at the right places. But there's hoops and there's platforms and there's brokers, and it's not like open a Robinhood account and trade commodities. It just doesn't exist yet. So if Comdex will bring commodities to crypto, that's why I'm bullish on them, not a financial loss. Let's click agree. Let's see how it works. It does a swap, okay. So now it opens Comdex test chain. You pay 0.005 CMDX. Approve. Nice. Okay. Nice. Check. Asset bought 0.73 coil. Asset swap 250 Comdex slippage 0.0008. Transaction. Cool. Click home. Now I got 1000 USDC. I got oil. Okay, so now I got oil. I can do silver, gold, all that stuff. Let's click and see what we got here. Mint, okay, see assets, Oracle, board, collateral. So I assume I can borrow against my oil or something. Farm, doesn't work. History, okay, so that's the history. Let's click assets. Okay, so I got 750 Comdex and I can deposit those coins as well. Okay, C swap is what we've done so far. What else do we got? Borrow. Let's click borrow. Interesting. Let's click on borrow. So I have 750 Comdex, okay. I'm starting to see what's going on. And I can borrow against that. I can borrow gold at 200%. Nice. Okay, let's do 250 just for the example. Trying to see the possibilities once this goes live. I'm putting 250 Comdex and I'm putting collateral ratio of 200% is safe. If some of you used Anchor Protocol, Terra Luna, all that stuff, comment below because it looks similar to Anchor and Anchor did really well. I'm borrowing $165 gold. Okay, one gold is 1,468. Okay, let's do the max. What's the max? Can I change this? I don't know. I can go all the way. So I get liquidated. Okay. No. So this is good. So my collateral ratio is 500%. Got it. So for every $250 of Comdex, I can borrow now $66. I've seen it somewhere. I think we've done a testnet. I'm pretty sure I've seen this. I think it was the Aave testnet, something like that. I don't remember. We've done a lot of testnets. $250, 500% collateral, so I can only borrow 60%. No, I want to go crazy. Let's borrow at 0.8. Okay, 0.85. Meaning, wow, I can borrow 1,468, 1,650. Interesting. How do I get to 1? I want to get to 1. Can I do, I don't know, 10%? 1,000.7? No, okay. Okay, 7%. Does it have to be gold? No, let's go crazy on oil. Okay, let's go crazy on oil. Let me make sure I'm recording. Okay, I am. This is again. I'm doing this live. I don't know what's going on, but this is cool. Let's say we are saying oil is going up, and we are degen, and then we're gonna. I don't care to get liquidated. So the max, the safe. Okay, so basically it says for every $250, I can borrow $167, 1.6 oil. Okay, fine. I wanna borrow more. I wanna go crazy. Okay, I wanna go crazy. Let's say 20%. So 15 oil. Look at this. For $250, I'm going long at I'm getting 1,650 oil for a price of 105. I assume if oil drops 20%, they liquidate me. But you know, you only live once. Can I borrow? Doesn't it says no? Okay, why can't I borrow? Maybe it doesn't let me borrow. Interesting. Okay, let's go up, up, up. Can I borrow? Okay. Wow. So this is fine, and this is not fine. So they don't even let you borrow below 150. Okay, so let's do 150. So I can borrow for basically for 250 Comdex, which currently price is $350. I can borrow $220 more of oil. Gotcha. Okay, sure. So they don't want you to get liquidated. Fine, fine, fine. Same thing, click agree. Okay. Transaction. Interesting. Okay. Let's see what else we got in here once this is done. So I borrow failed to execute message index invalid collateral ratio. Interesting. Maybe the price change or something. Let's do, I don't know, let's do 200, 199. So now I can borrow for $330. I can borrow 165. Okay, click agree. So now that's 50%. Let's see if it works. If not, I might need to send them like feedback or something like that. Out of gas. Let me try gold just for the example. See if I can do. You see the borrow is done. So let's do, I don't know, 150. Let's just see if gold works. Okay, they have stuff to fix. That's why it's a DevNet, and basically it's an incentivized testnet, which is fine, which is very, very fine. Let's try gold. Also out of gas location. Let's move on. Let's move on. Okay. So this specific borrow doesn't really work yet. Let's go to farm. Okay. Let's see what we got in the farm. And now in farm I can do Comdex and gold. Okay. Or let's see. Let's say I'm putting 250 in here, and I don't have a balance for gold. Okay. So can I change it to oil? I got oil, right? 0.73. There we go. 0.73. Let's do the max. 0.72, sure. And I'm getting 240. So let's farm. Let's farm Comdex and oil. Okay, pool details, 50% Comdex, 50% oil. The money could be here. The money could be here if you just farm a pool of gold, silver, and do nothing. And that's passive income with crypto. My liquidity, okay, remove liquidity. Let's see what we got. Farm, trade at your own risk. I want to see if I can change this to do a pool. That's my next target after this one. Let's see if it works. Let's see if the farm works. Success. Beautiful. So now, okay, so in the farm, get myself CMDX. Let's move my face a little. C oil, Comdex oil. 250 plus 0.7 add remove. Okay, add remove. Do I need to do anything? I'm farming. Do I need to add liquidity? So this one is remove liquidity. No, I'm good. And the APR is right here, but it doesn't say how much is the pool. So you can just, instead of gamble your life away and and just say, I don't know, 10x oil, even though they make it safe so far to borrow against your Comdex oil, just put it in a pool, enjoy some sweet passive income. Let's see. So this is one pool. Let me do another one. So we're gonna go back to swap. and I want to change. This is what I want to change. I want to change Comdex. I got 500. Let's change to gold. So let's do half 250 to gold, and let's do 250 silver, and then let's farm that and see if it works. And then this could be a nice pool just for passive income. And the passive income that you get from that pool, maybe you can borrow against that. I'm starting to see a lot of nice possibility. Nice. So I just bought 0.03 gold. Okay, this is the transaction. Okay, that's nice. And go back to the swap, and let's change to silver. And let's do, my max is 250. Let's do 248. Okay, leave a little bit. Good, good. That's the incentivized testnet. Okay, click here. Let's see what else we got. Go back after this. Let's say that it's a success. Nice. Now let's go to a farm. That's what I want to try. Let's go to a farm and change. So I can only farm Comdex and gold, silver, and oil. So they don't have a pool just yet between gold, silver, which is basically the same, and it's like complete passive income, give or take. But who knows? So now I got. Okay, got it. So I can put only, okay, I assume they will add more pools. Let's see what else we got. If I wanna see something here. Mint, what can I mint? And farm. Okay, so my position in this is farm. Rewards. Okay, so you get paid rewards in Comdex. Good to know. So you farm gold, oil, silver. Okay, if you don't want to be a complete degen, you just farm gold, oil, silver. You get paid in the native coin, which is Comdex. Again, 30 million market cap. I'm bullish. History is here. What can I mint? Can I mint, I don't know, wheat, soy, or something? Click more. Stake your Comdex token to earn rewards. Participate in governments. Participate in auction between bidders to capitalize on liquidation of asset. Acquire asset at a discount rate. Enter now. What the hell is this? Interesting. Auction asset Comdex. Okay. Bidding asset silver quantity. End time April 1st. Top bid. Let's try this one. See gold. I don't know. Opening bid 0.13 gold. Maximum bid 0.14 gold. Top bid 0.13. Your bid. What am I bidding? I'm bidding gold. I have gold. Let's bid on gold. Maximum bid. Auction discount 5%. So I can get 5% discount on the price of gold. People will like that. Let's do 0.14. I don't know. Why not? Why do I care? 0.15. Let's win. Place a bid. I have no idea what I'm doing. There's a testnet. They probably need to tell us what, explain how this works. Memo fee, cool. Okay. Interesting. Let's see if it works. Fail to execute. Zero bidding amount is greater than maximum. Okay, so by the maximum 0.14, top bid is 0.13. Let's do 0.14. Okay, it's over the top bid and below the max bid. So they don't let me overpay on gold. Interesting. So can I buy gold, silver, and oil at 5% discount? Fail to execute. Gold is smaller than 14 gold, insufficient fund. Okay, let's move on. See what else we got. Manage staking. Welcome to Comdex Staking and Governance. Yield smarter with Unagi, the automated DeFi yield platform. So you can stake your, basically stake your Comdex in here. Moneyflix network, trusted proof of stake provider. So those are the stakers. If you click here, it takes you, I assume, to the Comdex homepage where you can just stake Comdex. I assume. I don't stake with them. I would say 90% of my Comdex is in LP with osmosis. But yeah, that's where you just put a little bit in here. Connect your Comdex live mainnet. Basically, see, I got nothing. I got 9 Comdex because most of my Comdex is, I got some rewards. I assume there's some proposal that we can vote. Go here Just vote from time to time, make sure you're not missing anything. But that's a different story. Let's see if there's anything that I've left. I assume, I assume this is super early. If you click here, buy, price of 130, all-time low. It takes you to the Osmosis webpage and just go from there. So far, so good. And basically, yeah, that's what I got for you guys. Patreon below, support this channel. We're starting a new month. Let's effing go. Yeah. Bye bye.